Girl, you make me go so loco, loco, make me go crazy. We would make a beautiful baby. Knock on wood, is you trying to date me? Is it you?
Hey y'all, hey. So I know I've been missing for a very long time. I really just been like doing other stuff. Like, I don't know. I just haven't really been too much focused on YouTube, but I'm sorry, y'all. I apologize for neglecting y'all. I did not realize that I was neglecting y'all until somebody mentioned it. So for that, I apologize. I ain't never gonna leave y'all again. Okay, I might. But anyways, I've been posting little shorts on here, and my homegirl was like, that's cool and all, but where are the long videos? So here's a longer video for y'all of me cleaning my house because, it needs to be cleaned, and I just moved in. I'm trying to get everything in order, and I'm trying to keep it in order because, having kids and being by yourself, baby, them kids be having stuff everywhere. Like, y'all gonna see real quick how my house looks like it is very much lived in. Ignore the clothes on the bed. They about to get folded, just not in this clip. Because for some reason, I just forgot to fold the clothes on camera. So, yeah, we just gonna do that another time. Now, when it comes to these dishes, y'all, I promise I'm not ever gonna wash them on camera. Like, ever. Because I wash dishes so slow. And right now, I can't afford to get no dishwashing liquid for the dishwasher. So, for right now, I'm washing my dishes by hand. It's probably gonna be a couple of months, So, yeah, we just gonna do a little magic trick to get rid of them dishes in that sink, baby. Moving on, I'm about to create a little concoction in the sink with my Dawn dish soap and my Pine Sol to clean the counters and everything. And then I'm about to boil this water for the mop. Now, y'all probably gonna wonder why I cleaned everything 50 times. I'm not. So, what I'm doing first is I'm wiping the counters down with like the soap and the water. The little Pine Sol water I just made, yeah, that's what I'm doing. And then I'm going back in with a hot rag with hot water to rinse that. And then I'm going back with a dry rag to dry it. And then I'm going back to spray the little smell good so the house could smell good. Yeah, that's my little process that I be doing to clean up. So if y'all see me wiping stuff down 50 times, that's why. Now, I know I've been missing and y'all probably been wondering, where you been? Honestly, y'all, I just been taking a break off of the socials because I've been really depressed. Like, for the past, I want to say, year, I have been so freaking depressed. And I don't even know why. I mean, I know why, but we ain't gonna get into all of that. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah, I just been depressed. I really ain't really been trying to, focus on creating content for real, but I have been creating content on TikTok, on my new TikTok, because my old TikTok got suspended. I don't even know why, because I didn't even post nothing on there for real, for it to get suspended. But whatever, somebody was hating on me. Oh my goodness, y'all, somebody was just banging on my door like the daggone police. I thought it was my mama. I was about to go off on her, but it was the lady that lived here before me. She got a package from Tory Burch or whatever, and I only know that because I accidentally opened the package, y'all, because I've been getting a lot of packages from TikTok Shop lately. So I was just opening my packages. I didn't realize, but then once I opened it, I was like, wait a minute. So I closed it back, put it in the closet. But here's a quick little update. I'm a TikTok Shop affiliate. I'm also an Amazon affiliate, but I was an Amazon affiliate I want to say 2 years ago. I've been doing better now, with my posting and stuff. So I share my content on Pinterest. I'm also a Pinterest girly. I'm currently at 66,000 views for the month. But I mean, I don't know. I feel like that's pretty high to me anyways. But I also feel like for Pinterest, that's low because it's just you can get so many more views on Pinterest. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know, but I look forward to seeing where Pinterest gets me, as far as bringing in the bag, because your girl needs all the money she can get. I take care of everything by myself, and I'm not saying that to diss my baby daddies or nothing, but or to make anybody feel bad for not helping me, because they don't have to help. Now, before y'all even get started, now, I know there's going to be some people out there that's just like, well, they have kids with you. They need to take care of their kids. Listen. They know them kids exist. I ain't about to harass nobody. I ain't about to hassle nobody. I ain't about to hunt nobody down, chase nobody down, beg nobody for nothing. But anyways, nonetheless, I'm doing what I got to do to make sure my kids are straight and taken care of, period. Even if that mean I can't eat for the next 5 days, that's what it is. My kids gonna eat. My kids got a roof over their head. My kids got clothes on their back. It don't matter. I'm gonna make sure I do what I gotta do to take care of them and make sure that they straight. I laid down and decided to have them, so it is what it is. Anyways, yeah, we get into that bag this year. I don't know. I feel like I should have been taking my content creation seriously. Like I was, but it was just also like I was very discouraged. Like I really didn't have anybody in my corner to be like, oh yeah, do this, do that, do this, do that, do this, do that. And okay, let me not say that because I don't want nobody to be like, I've always supported you, But it's like a difference in supporting and a difference in, just being like, oh, this is just something you do for fun. Like, like I don't know how to explain it. But anyways, yeah, I'm a TikTok affiliate now. I really don't know how I got there because I don't really have 10,000 followers on TikTok, but I'm almost at 10,000 followers on Instagram. I'm at 8,000 right now. So if y'all want to, if y'all don't mind, go ahead and follow me on Instagram so I can reach 10K. So I can start getting paid over there as well because, yeah, your girl needs all the money she can get. Okay, I'm tired of being broke. I'm tired of being, I don't want to claim that B word for real, but it's just like at this point, it is what it is. It's the truth. It's the truth. Nah, I might be living good, but that's just like, I kind of had to leave. Like I had to move. I had to find somewhere for me and my kids to live. So it's just like, I had to spend all my money to get us here. What's that little sound that's just like, it went viral a little while ago. It goes, I only had enough for first month's rent and the deposit. Yeah. I only had enough for the first 3 months rent and the deposit. And I had to prioritize some things. Like, do I want a roof over my head or do we need Wi-Fi? We want a roof over our head. Do we want a roof over our head or do we need insurance? Like, stuff like, and I know y'all probably gonna be like, girl, what? Like, you're terrible. But at the end of the day, I'll do everything by myself. I gotta figure it out. Okay. I gotta figure it out. And then it's just like, also it's like, okay, can I afford to put daycare in my budget or do I just leave them at home and put cameras in the house? And right now it's looking like just leave them at home and put cameras in the house. And I know y'all probably like, girl, but hey, sometimes we have to make the necessary sacrifices and I don't have nobody. So yeah, I'm going to do what I got to do. And then when school starts, I'm going to try to get me a job that is closer to home. So that way I don't know. Because once I get a job closer to home, I'm going to take a huge pay cut. And I'm really not going to be able to afford nothing. I don't know, but we're almost done cleaning this house, and I really enjoyed talking to y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all enjoyed my little update that I'm giving y'all or whatever, but I still haven't reached 1,000 followers on here. I'm like 400 away, so let's get me there, okay? I promise. I can't promise y'all nothing, but I'm going to try my hardest to do better and come back for y'all. I have been posting content for y'all, though. Y'all can't say that I haven't, because I have. It might not be what y'all want, but it's there, okay? It might not be the long videos like this one, but it's there. Also, I do have a housewarming registry if y'all would like to, purchase some things for my home. Okay, bye.